After the 2014 genocide committed by ISIS against the Yazidi people, most Yazidis who were displaced by ISIS were placed in internally displaced persons camps in Kurdistan.
Today, 7 years later, many remain in those camps where housing consists of flammable tents, electrical power is unreliable, and living conditions are very difficult.
Overshadowing all is the haunting knowledge that thousands of the women and children are still missing.
Tragic fires spread quickly from tent to tent have ended some Yazidi lives.
Others have fallen victim to suicide and depression, living for 7 years in IDP camps.
Despite all of this, some Yazidis have pressed forward in pursuit of a better life for themselves and their people.
Medical doctors and educators are graduating from college this year. Painting by Yazidi artists are being purchased in Europe and the American continent.
Outside of the Middle East, Yazidis are seen as one of the most peaceful communities in the world. There is no discrimination. Therefore, the Yazidi young people take this opportunity. They are well engaged, well integrated, and very talented, and they take the opportunities to join different sectors in their life to help their own communities and also the receiving community.
And so, from ashes of tragedy is born shining hope and strong determination.